Aspects such as sustainability and energy efficiency are becoming increasingly important in today's world. This development is based on a holistic view of a building throughout its entire life cycle. SikaRoof Monitoring Systems enables to detect water ingress and helps to secure material assets and prevents consequential damages. The continuous monitoring of the building condition allows for a targeted and cost-effective maintenance. The SikaRoof Monitoring System is designed as a modular system. The system is suitable for new construction and refurbishment projects and offers a blend of efficiency and cutting-edge technology. A single sensor can cover an expansive technology through its radio-based sensor system. Plus, the installation is straightforward and hassle-free. Thanks to its plug-and-play design, your roofing contractor can have it up and running without any complications. The app offers a clear overview of all your projects right at your fingertips, ensuring you're always in the loop. The intuitive dashboard presents the roof's condition in a user-friendly format, making data interpretation a breeze. For more detailed insights, you can easily tap and download the measured data. You can also set up notifications for multiple contacts, ensuring rapid and effective action if there's unexpected water ingress. Stay safe and secure with the SikaRoof Monitoring System, offering you 24-hour roof data collection and a state-of-the-art leak detection alarm system.